or Palawan after the Air Force finishes training on how to operate it, he added. On its official website, the Hermes 450 UAV is described as a workhorse of the Israeli Defense Forces in a counter-crime operation. The mature and combat-proven UAVs have a class-leading safety and reliability record, it said. These drones can reach an altitude of 18,000 feet and an endurance of approximately 20 hours. The Hermes 900, meanwhile, is the larger and more sophisticated type of drone. It can be used for ground support and maritime patrol missions. It has a service ceiling of 30,000 feet and flight endurance of up to 36 hours. The Philippine Navy and Philippine Army will also have their own advanced type of UAVs, Lorenzana said. His agency has also bought 530 small drones for the military's tactical units, battalions and brigades, he added. The status of the Philippine military's drone acquisition program was brought up by Senator Panfilo Lacson as the Department National Defense sought for a P25 million budget for unmanned aerial system facilities for next year.